macOS is the second biggest operating system found on computers today, and I'm going to be showing you some useful shortcuts in this series on how to navigate macOS in a much simpler way. The first thing we're going to be looking at is what's called the Spotlight search, and to perform a Spotlight search we need to press the Command key and the space key. This will bring up a search bar which can be customized as to where it shows up on your screen, and using this search bar you can Google things on Safari, you can launch applications, and you can also find files and documents on your laptop or computer. Spotlight search is a really useful way for getting around finding files or programs, or to just define certain words. As we can see here, we can get dictionary definition up, as well as loads of Siri suggested events and suggested searches. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.